Michelada made of actually guava, all right? So what you want to start is, so chamoy first, all right? Chamoy is kind of like the first thing because last time I did it late. So I like to start from here and spin it slowly, 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 all around, all around. It's okay if it drips all the way down to the bottom. That's what we want. Simple. Simple. All right. So you don't have to cover the whole thing, but there it is. All of it down. All right. That's the first part. We're gonna do some soy sauce, or you could do the other sauce. Just a little bit. Pepper. Secret is pepper. Pepper's in there. That's a lot of pepper, but that's pepper. All right, we got the pepper. Lemon, rim, the whole thing here around. All right. You get the tajin. Shake it. Much inside, outside, whatever you want. You can rim it out however you want, but I like to do it this way. Less of a mess sometimes. So we got it all around, rim, all right? Squeeze the whole lemon in there. The lime, the whole lime in there. Now, you could do guava juice however you want. I got this one because it has real pieces of guava. Guayaba. So we're going to put it in there. A little bit under. That's good enough. That's good enough. So, not too much of it, right? We're going to get the clamato. Let's taste it first. Make sure it's still good from last time. Oh, yeah, still good. So, we're going to do the clamato. Another halfway too. That's good. Now, what we want, your favorite kind of alcohol. Fill it up all the way to the top. Now, mix it. Give it a good mix everywhere. You could do this with any fruit that can blend pretty good. And taste test. Let's do a taste test. Simple, huge. Oh my God. It's freaking good. I think I'm gonna kill the whole thing here. So, not very difficult to do. You saw me, maybe it took me about 2 minutes to do because I had everything. That's the only thing. Gather your logistics first before you start something like this. But once you get the hang of it, you could carry all the ingredients in your house. Anybody that comes in, or maybe a celebration, or just because. One thing I did forget, but I don't want it right now, is hot pepper. You could add your tapatio on it, make it a little spicier if you want, but the only thing is, like, it gives me major heartburn, and I'm drinking this at night. I don't want to wake up throughout the night, so we're gonna keep it. It still gives me heartburn to begin with, but not as much as hot pepper. So today we're gonna keep no tapatio today. We're just throwing it on, but optional tapatio. From my house to your house, hope you guys enjoy your drinks.